Muzi Sibiya has been confronted with what the state says are inconsistencies in his testimony and versions, some of which were put to state witnesses. On Wednesday, the state asked about a testimony he gave during the trial within a trial, which indicated that he had been transported with a Toyota Fortuner the day after he made a confession statement.
Now, during the trial within a trial, when your counsel, Mr. Mngumezulu, led you, this was on the 5th of February 2024 at page 40, line 3, he says the following. So it's line 5. He asks you, so what happened on 31 May, the following day? Then you respond as follows. Line 16, accused 1, I then got up or woke up and then they handcuffed me at the back. Then line 19, they took me to the vehicle. Line 20, Mr. Mngumezulu, yes, what vehicle was that? Accused number 1, it was a Fortuner. Mr. Mngumezulu at line 22, what color was it? Accused 1, it was white. Mr. Mngumezulu at line 25, driven by who? Accused number 1, Mohani. So here, Mr. Sibiya, you yourself said in the trial within the trial on the 5th of February 2024 that on the 31st of May 2020 you were conveyed in the white Toyota Fortuner driven by Sergeant Mohani, but you are now deviating from that evidence, is that correct?
You may say so, however, everything that has been stated here is what happened. The only difference is that with during the trial within a trial, I had stated that I was driven in a Fortuner, and at that time, I did not have a vivid recollection of what had happened. But I, however, now at this stage remember and had a recollection of what had happened, and I do say that I was driven in a white crash car.
The confession details a visit to a traditional healer for a consultation and to find out if they would succeed in ending the life of the soccer star Senzo Meyiwa, among others. The court heard how the police, in the company of Sibiya, followed up on information about the traditional healer Lionel Zwane the day after the confession statement was obtained. Zwane testified in the trial as a state witness.
I still maintain that I do not know Zwane's house, this Mkulu person. He doesn't know me and I've never seen him in my life. I started seeing him here in court when he was in the witness stand. I don't even know where he resides.
Sibiya has distanced himself from the contents of the confession, which he says are unknown to him. Relying on Zwane's failure to identify him as the Sibiya who came for consultation and later cleansing, Sibiya adamantly denied knowing Zwane. The trial continues on Thursday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the High Court in Pretoria.